So if you want to get into the game industry and you're an artist, you have to learn about all of the programs associated with artists. All the
Hmm.
programs associated with programming, C plus, C sharp. Get in the computer club. Get into any kind of educational program. Go to your educators in school and say, "Look, I'm interested in doing the tech side of gaming. I want to be a programmer. I want to be a technical artist." And just get a book. Get the library still works, and the internet is the ultimate library. It can be used for many different things, including looking up everything on gaming. And you can easily get a book, something to read, and kind of let that be your guide, and then connect you to someone in the community to get support. So you need to have knowledge, you need to find a support network, somebody, and then you need a mentor. You need to find someone that's ahead of you that can tell you the tricks and the trials that you need to get into that gaming industry. And once you have that, if you have that drive and you do your homework, the only thing you have to have is persistence, and you don't accept anything but excellence.